Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, you guys are like, what do you have going on here, MD? Well, this was a power supply for a computer, gaming PC. See, a little fancy one. We got the Eco Boost button there, huh? Make that thing really take off, or oh wait a minute, really make you save some fuel. So what we got going on here is I created this because I did that video of the ISDT chargers and told you guys, you know, what I use. So like I said, this guy here has a built-in AC power supply in there, lost for words. So I heard these do real good on DC. So I had this thing laying around, brand new in the box. Picked this thing up at one of the Amazon hubs my son did. And if you don't know that, all the returns they would send to like a hub and they sell for like $5. So this thing costs $5. It lights up all green and all RGB. It's really cool. Got that props off sticker. Gank. RDQ. We went ahead and popped some stickers on here. E-drone, that's that holographic one, man. You guys don't know, if you get sent one of them, they're very special. You have to pay attention to what he talks about in them. Got some Mamba, got the pyro flip on it, and send it. So anyway, with the fancy fixings, what I did was this, guys. I opened this up. A disclaimer: if you get one of these, if you power it up, make sure it sets 12 hours or more unplugged so it drains everything. It's got a 70-volt cap in there. Yeah, it will hurt you. Just like the old TV tubes, don't peel the plastic off, as me and Brian was talking the other day. So anyway, what I did was I went ahead and just took all the wires off that was come out of this thing, and then we made what we only needed. So right here I run an XT60. I just got to put some shrink wrap on that, and that is 12 volts, as you can see. So then we have 5 volts, which I have 5 of these, which I'm gonna do a USB hub for that. I have another 12 volts here, and they all have their own separate grounds. So I did last night, I hooked up this into here with my wall charger, with it running out of the AC unit inside. It would only give me like 4 amps on one side and about 1.2 amps on the other side. When I got this bugger working and plugged it into it, it gave me it was like 8 amps on one side, or 9 amps on one side, and it was almost 7 amps on the other. So that's not bad, and that was still plugging it into my house wall, you know, into a GFI outlet in case something happens, it pops it, you know, whatever. So yeah guys, I want to just let you know that if you got one of these guys laying around, be careful, but you can go in and make a nice power supply out of this. This thing lights up real pretty and all that. So we'll go ahead and get the cord and powered up for you right after I'm done talking here, and just wanted to let you guys know, look outside the box and something might be good inside the box. 12 packs a day, you guys know him? Get FPV! But you can see the amps this thing does here. So at 12 volts, we're doing 40 amps this thing will put out. It's got the 80 plus whatever. That's like the golden sticker of a power supply. If it don't have that, don't buy it. So the stats on this thing is pretty good. 3.3 volts, we're going to put out 18 amps. 5 volts, we'll put out 18 amps. 40 amps at 12 volts, and minus 12, 0.5 amps. And then obviously plus 5 SB, 2.5 amps. So yeah, this thing's pretty powerful. And thank you guys for watching, and MD95TSI signing out, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to, when you're working on them quads, take those props off. Alright, so we got it all wired up. Got it wired into the charger. Now when I flip this button over here, watch what happens. Ain't that cool? And then you push the eco button and the fan will spin at like a low rate. That is so cool. And as you can see, we're powered up and we're working. And I can plug in any one of these guys here. Like you can look at the back of them, and that will give you the stats on what it will do. I believe this one's on there. Yeah, I think it's right there. It'll tell you the wattage and stuff. Same with on the back of the Q6. The Q6 works really good. I charged a battery this morning. It took a 1000 milliamp hour 6S. I put it on 10 amps just to see what it would give me. It was charging that thing at like 8 amps. I'm telling you, it zapped that battery. It was probably, man, less than like 6 minutes it charged it. So yeah, nice little power supply. If you guys got one laying around, Pick you one up. To get the power supply working, there is a green on the big wide plug there. Just find the green one, and then you got to jump that and the ground together. So inside, what I did was I made sure what that was, and I ran back in here and I just soldered them together and threw some heat shrink on them, and we're done. As you can see, it's all neatly done down in there. You can't see none of the wires all blowed out or sticking around. Everything's professionally done. And that's how I like to do things. So I thought I'd share that, guys. Thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me, and I hope you guys have a good day and everything goes your way.